another awesome spot. I'm just loving the scenario behind me, guys. The greenness is too much. It's just, it's, but the greenness is just enough. Okay, so yeah, still at it. There's some more views, as you can see. Gorgeous, glorious. It's really quiet, yeah. Makes you think about yourself, your brain, your presence as a human being, your significance, not your insignificance, but your significance in this planet plays a crucial role. Those were the ops. Open shit, anything. Yeah. Yeah, you see these mountains. You see that there. It's like a stairs of white mountains. Like stones right there. It's beautiful. Oh, I haven't done solo run and hike in a minute. That was great. And I'm sober as a kite. I'm gonna be sober for the next 2 days. So it's good to be in the moment and presence. And I'm finally reaching my off ramp because damn, I've been in the streets. Oh, being in the streets, I want to be in the mountains now. Well, I am part of the mountain. So